Okay, the question that I picked is same-sex marriage. Did you know that, guys? A lot of us, especially here in our society, here in Philippines, we don't respect, especially the part of LGBT community QA+. So, yes, I agree of same-sex marriage because I am one of them. Standing in front of you, proud to be a bisexual. Having a partner as a boy, I'm a partner boy when we live in 2 months. And so, 17, the day tonight is 17, so we are celebrating our 2-monthsary. So, I just want to bring to all LGBT community QA class tonight. Do yourself. No matter what happened, stand yourself because you have own value. You have own dignity to stand yourself. Don't mind what society is. Okay? Because you and yourself can be improved no matter what people change you, no matter people bashing in you. Because society is a society. But you and yourself, if you have a good mind and heart, you respect yourself. You need to respect everyone. Everyone cannot respect you. You stand for yourself. So everyone should be respect equal. So because we are same human, we are feeling the same air. So what we can do is equality and respect. Good evening, everyone. I just want to greet my partner. He's also part of the LGBT community. Hi Langga, I love you. And